AWeber versus Sendinblue. When it comes to email marketing software, which one actually gives you more features for your money? If you're looking for the most powerful tool, you'll want to watch till the end, because while both have strong points, there's a clear winner when it comes to value, automation, and deliverability. And I'll also share a better alternative if you want something that outperforms both. First, let's talk about ease of use. AWeber has a simple, beginner-friendly interface with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, but Sendinblue takes it a step further with a more modern UI and a smoother automation builder. If you're running advanced campaigns, Sendinblue just feels more flexible. Next thing, email automation. AWeber offers basic autoresponders and some segmentation, but Sendinblue gives you deeper automation workflows, allowing you to customize sequences based on user behavior. If you need detailed automation, Sendinblue is the better pick. The third thing is pricing. AWeber has a free plan but with severe limitations. The paid plans scale up based on subscriber count, and costs add up quickly. Sendinblue, on the other hand, charges based on email volume rather than subscribers, which can be a lot more cost-effective if you have a large list but send emails less frequently. The fourth thing, deliverability. AWeber has been around for decades and generally has strong email deliverability. But Sendinblue provides dedicated IPs and better tools for ensuring your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. That's a crucial factor if you want the best results. Fifth, additional features. AWeber includes landing pages, simple automation, and basic integrations. Sendinblue, however, offers SMS marketing, advanced CRM tools, and transactional emails, making it a more comprehensive marketing platform. If you need more than just email marketing, Sendinblue gives you more functionality. So which is better? It depends. AWeber is solid for beginners who want simplicity. Sendinblue is more feature-rich and gives you better automation, pricing flexibility, and additional marketing tools. But after testing all of them myself, I found a better alternative that offers even more powerful automation, better pricing, and a free trial with exclusive benefits. If you want the best email marketing software for your needs, check the first link in the description to get access to the best deal available only to our viewers.